You just crushed a workout, so why does your body immediately demand an enormous meal afterward? Studies show your hunger hormone ghrelin can triple in just 30 minutes after intense exercise. There are 5 powerful biological triggers behind this hunger, and most people understand absolutely none of them. Before we exercise, every system in your body runs on a perfectly balanced, stable energy budget. The moment you start exercising, 5 separate body systems fire up and start burning through resources fast. During a hard workout, your glycogen fuel stores can drop by up to 80% completely. Your hunger hormone ghrelin stays low while you train, but watch what happens the moment you stop. Today we are breaking down all 5 science-backed reasons your body screams for food after every workout. Let us break down exactly what your body is doing and why hunger hits so hard. The first and most powerful hunger trigger after exercise is a hormone most people have never heard of. Ghrelin is a hormone produced in your stomach that signals your brain to eat immediately. Research shows ghrelin is actually suppressed during exercise but skyrockets the moment your workout completely ends. Ghrelin travels straight to your brain and triggers an overwhelming, almost uncontrollable urge to eat something immediately. According to clinical research, ghrelin peaks roughly 30 minutes after exercise ends, making hunger feel completely out of control. And it does not just make you hungry, it makes your brain crave high-calorie junk food specifically. This is why people often eat back far more calories than they burned during the entire workout. But here is the key: understanding the spike is the very first step to managing it. The ghrelin surge typically lasts about 60 to 90 minutes before your body naturally begins to calm down. Studies confirm that eating protein after exercise is the fastest way to shut ghrelin signal down completely. Ghrelin is trigger number 1, but your blood sugar crash is making everything dramatically and dangerously worse. Here is trigger number 2, and it hits your hunger signals just as hard as ghrelin does. During exercise, your muscles consume glucose at a massive rate, draining your blood sugar supply very rapidly. When blood glucose drops below 70 milligrams per deciliter, your brain immediately fires urgent hunger signals throughout your body. Now your brain is getting hit with 2 separate hunger signals at the exact same time simultaneously. Your liver tries to release stored glycogen to stabilize blood sugar, but those reserves are already gone. Your muscles are also sending urgent refueling signals simultaneously, creating a massive demand your body cannot ignore. Low blood sugar after exercise can also cause dizziness, brain fog, and that shaky post-workout feeling you know. Reaching for simple sugar fixes causes a second blood sugar crash that makes hunger return even faster. Complex carbohydrates restore blood sugar slowly and steadily, which is exactly what your body actually needs right now. When blood sugar stabilizes, your hunger signals drop significantly, proving this is not just about willpower at all. Blood sugar crash is trigger 2, and trigger 3 comes straight from your muscles sending repair signals out. Every single workout you do creates microscopic tears inside your muscle fibers, and they immediately demand nutrients. These microscopic tears trigger an immediate biological repair process that requires a large amount of protein and calories. Your muscles send biochemical distress signals demanding amino acids, and your brain interprets these repair signals as intense hunger. This repair process is driven by a biological pathway called mTOR, which gets activated specifically by dietary protein. The post-workout anabolic window for muscle repair is roughly 45 minutes, making post-workout nutrition extremely time-sensitive. Eating 20 to 40 grams of protein post-workout gives your muscles the exact building blocks they urgently need. Skipping post-workout protein does not just leave you hungry, it actively causes your muscles to break down. Protein intake also triggers IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor, which signals muscles to grow back bigger and stronger. Once your muscles begin receiving nutrients for repair, your overall hunger signals start dropping significantly and noticeably. Muscle repair is trigger 3, and trigger 4 involves a powerful stress hormone making all your cravings dramatically worse. Trigger 4 is cortisol, your stress hormone, and exercise sends it surging through your entire body. During intense workouts, cortisol levels can spike by 50 to 75% above your normal resting baseline levels. High cortisol actively tells your fat cells to hold on, directly blocking the fat burning you just worked for. Cortisol directly stimulates your brain's appetite control center, dramatically increasing cravings especially for high-fat and high-sugar foods. The intensity of your workout directly determines how high your cortisol climbs and how hungry you feel afterward. Elevated cortisol also disrupts your gut lining and alters gut bacteria, which further confuses your hunger regulation signals. Poor sleep after exercise keeps cortisol elevated even longer, creating a vicious hunger and craving cycle overnight. A proper cool down activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which begins lowering cortisol levels within just 10 to 15 minutes. Eating tryptophan-rich foods post-workout boosts serotonin, which actively calms cortisol and reduces appetite-driving stress in your body. Cortisol is trigger 4, but trigger 5 might be the sneakiest of all, your own dehydration fooling you. The fifth trigger is the sneakiest. Your brain actually uses the same center for both hunger and thirst. When you are dehydrated, your hypothalamus often misfires and sends a hunger signal instead of a thirst signal. Studies show that 37% of people regularly mistake dehydration thirst signals for actual food hunger throughout the day. During intense exercise, you can lose over 500 milliliters of water along with critical electrolytes your body needs. Before eating anything post-workout, drink at least 400 milliliters of water and wait a full 10 minutes. Check your urine color before eating post-workout. Dark yellow means dehydration is likely masking itself as intense hunger. Proper rehydration after exercise can reduce post-workout hunger by up to 20% all on its own. Adding electrolytes to your water after exercise accelerates rehydration and helps reset hunger signals significantly more than plain water. Drinking water before your post-workout meal consistently reduces total calorie intake by helping your body distinguish real hunger properly. That is all 5 hunger triggers explained. Now let us give you the exact science-backed solutions to control them. You now understand exactly why you feel hungry, so here are the 5 solutions that actually work scientifically. Solution 1. Eat 20 to 40 grams of protein within 45 minutes of finishing your workout every time. Solution 2. Pair your protein with complex carbs to restore blood sugar without triggering another dangerous crash later. Solution 3. Always drink at least 400 milliliters of water before you eat anything after your workout. Solution 4. Always finish with a 10-minute cool down, which actively reduces cortisol and resets your appetite control system. Solution 5. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, because poor sleep keeps hunger hormones dangerously elevated all day. Follow these 5 steps after every workout and you will have complete control over your post-exercise hunger permanently. The difference between uncontrolled post-workout hunger and controlled recovery is not willpower, it is biology working for you. Now you understand the full science behind why exercise makes you hungry, and exactly what to do about it. Your hunger after exercise is not a weakness, it is your biology doing exactly what it is designed to do. You now have everything you need to control post-workout hunger starting from your very next gym session today. If today's video helped you understand your body better, here is exactly what I want you to do right now. First, smash that like button right now because it helps more people find this important health information today. Second, hit subscribe and tap the bell for daily body science delivered to you every single day at midnight. Third, check out these related videos that will give you even more daily body science knowledge right now. Remember, ghrelin, blood sugar, muscle signals, cortisol, and hydration are the 5 real reasons you feel hungry after training. Share this video with a friend who exercises, because they absolutely need to know this science too. I will see you in the next one. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep fueling your body right. Daily Body Science drops a new video every single day. Hit subscribe so you never miss another one again.